Ang goal ko ngayon 8 miles. Kahit mabagal lang. Kasi walang practice eh. Basta matapos ko lang. Sakit nung dito ko. Tagiliran. Kasi kakakain ko lang eh. Hintayin ko lang mawala saglit. Then tuloy ulit ako. Okay, I'll try to run. Mile 1, 10:25. Mile 2, 9:55. Mile 3, 9:35. Mile 4, 9:39. Yeah, this is the bridge I'm talking about. It's already open. Max English. Mile 5, 9:43. Mile 6, 9:47. Surrendered. Ang init. Bawi na lang next time.